Good morning. Let's start with our sounds.
Alright guys, this updated class, I am going to throw the sound, and then right after I say it, I will give you guys a couple seconds to say it right after. We are going to do the letters first, and then I included the diagram at the end of this video. A, apple, act. B, bat, boot. C, cat. D, dog, soup. E, ed, act. F, fun. G, game, boot. H, hat. I, it, day, dud, dip. K, kite. L, lamp, blue. M, man, N, nut, O, octopus, off. P, pan. Q, queen, quack. R, rat, S, snake. T, top. U, up, up. V, van. W, wind, whoop. X, fox. Y, yellow, yip. Z, zebra. Here's the diagram. SH, ship. CH, tip. TH, thumb. WH, whistle, whoop. CK, sock.
All right, awesome job. I'm going to put some cards up on the screen, and I want you to say the words. Try and tap it out inside of your head, and then we'll do it all together. So your first word is going to be this. All right, try and sound it out inside your head. What's the word? Fix. Very good. Fix. All right, here's another one. Try and sound it out in your head. What's your word? Shut. Very good. One more. What's the word? Much. Good job. All right, we're going to practice some more sounds, just because there's some tricky sounds that we need to practice some more. So let's practice. You're just going to say it as soon as it comes on the screen. Ready? CH, chin, ch. I, itch, it. WH, whistle, what. TH, thumb, CK, sock, k. J, jug, j. E, ed, F. L, lamp, ol. N, nut, n. T, top, t. O, octopus, ah. R, rat, U, up, Z, zebra, z. V, van, A, apple, SH, ship, sh. G, game, g. All right, let's do our vowel extensions. Remember, we hold that vowel sound. So A, apple, E, ed, I, itch, O, octopus, U, up, Very good. These are our 5 vowels. Say them with me. A, E, I, O, U. One more time. Your 5 vowels are A, E, I, O, U. Good job. All right, let's review those words again. Tap it. Fix. Quit. Shut. All right, now we're going to practice our trick words. Remember, trick words are very tricky and they cannot be sound out. They're words that you just have to know. So let's review our trick words. 2. Has. A. The. And. As. Of. Is. Into. His. Okay, good job. Now I'm going to shut this out and this out. Okay. Now we're going to build some words. So this is the time where if you need to get out a whiteboard or a piece of paper so that you can write the letters, that'd be great. I'm going to use my tiles in front of you. So let's build some words. All right, first grade. We're going to build the word chat. What was that word? Chat. Tap chat with me. Chat. Now you're going to write it. Pause the video. All right, let's see what you wrote for chat. For ch, you should have put a CH, A, and T. You should have put a T. Double check. C-H-A-T. Now, if I wanted to mark this word up, I'm going to get my pen out, and I'm going to mark this word up because I underlined the diagraph. So, first graders, what's your diagraph in this word? C-H. Very good job. All right, let's drag all these over to the side. Let's build another word. Let's build shop. Say that word. Shop. Now tap that word. Shop. Pause the video and write your word down. Okay, let's double check your answer. For shop, our first sound we heard was sh. And I'm going to drag down S-H. Then I heard O. And my last sound was P, which is a P. I need to mark my word up. I'm going to underline my diagraph, which I see at the very beginning of my word with S-H. How'd you do? I know you did fantastic. Let's drag these over to the side now. Let's build the word dish. What was the word? Dish. Now tap the word with me. D-I-sh. Dish. Pause your video and write your letters for dish. Okay, time to check. For D, you should have put a D. I, and sh is S-H. I have to mark this word up, so I'm going to get my pen out. And I'm looking for my diagraph to mark up. I see it clear at the end of this word. I see S-H there at the very, very end. Awesome job. Let's drag these over and you clear your board. And one more word. Let's do math. Say that word, math. Now tap it. Math. Pause your video and write your letters for math. All right, first grade, let's check what you wrote for I should see an M. I should see an A. I should see TH. Do you see a diagraph in this word? You sure do. So at the very end, there's a diagraph, TH, and we need to mark it up by underlining my diagraph. Awesome job. Okay, I'm going to get out of this. And our last thing is we have a story. So here's our story. Oops, too far. We're going to read this together. I'm going to read a sentence, and then you're going to repeat it after me. Jack had a net to get a codfish for Jed, the cat. You read that first sentence now. Jack had a net to get a codfish for Jed, the cat. My turn. I'm going to read. Jack sat on a rock with his net. Your turn. Jack sat on a rock with his net. My turn again. Jed sat on a log. Your turn. Jed sat on a log. I'm going to go. Jack had the luck. Your turn. Jack had the luck. He was quick with the net. Your turn. He was quick with the net. My turn. He got the codfish. Your turn. He got the codfish. And my turn. Jed had a dish of fish. Your turn. Jed had a dish of fish. Yum. Good deal. Okay, I'm going to get out a pen. Just kidding. I can't get out my pen. That's okay. Okay, so we're not going to do that. So I'm going to read it one more time all together for you. Jack had a net to get a codfish for Jed, the cat. Jack sat on a rock with his net. Jed sat on a log. Jack had the luck. He was quick with the net. He got the codfish. Jed had a dish of fish. Yum. Very good. I'm going to exit out of this now. And that's your lesson for today. Good job, first grade.